Welcome back to MacPhee Ford, and today we're taking a look at this pre-owned 2017 Ford F-150 XLT. This F-150 has the 302A trim level on it. Lots of really nice options, painted in a nice gray here, lithium gray, with a sport 4x4 package. You've got your running board along the side here, keyless entry door pad on the outside of the door, heated mirrors with your blind spot / towing mirrors there. Power window controls, power mirror controls are right here. Leather arm sill, which is really nice. And you've also got nice cubbies down here with a cup holder. Power lumbar seats, power 10-way power for both passenger and driver. On the left here, you've got fog lights, bed lighting, exterior lighting controls, and you've also got your power adjustable foot pedals. Getting on inside, crank it over. It does have the 5-liter V8 into it. Halogen headlights. You've got a nice small screen in front of you here with various such things such as speedometer, engine information, distance to empty, transmission, temperatures. You've got trip and fuel settings in here as well. Various towing settings, so status, trailer options. You also got a connection checklist. Off-road status is available as well with power distribution, and you've got vehicle settings with your rear park aid, DTE calculation, and advanced settings. On the steering wheel itself, menu controls are on the left, cruise control on and off as well, and then on the right you've got your hands-free and media controls. Sync sound system is in here as well. You get a nice home screen view. This is where you get a small view of your map, radio, and if a phone is connected. You can connect various phones in here. You do have a fully working navigation with the traffic list, navigation settings, where am I? You've also got destinations you can put in here, like a home and a work, hotels. Got a 3D map as well. Various apps such as Sirius Travel Link. And you've also got Bluetooth in here, clock settings, sound settings, general settings for the vehicle, as well as Apple CarPlay, voice control, valet mode, 911 assist. Very customizable. Down here you've got your main media controls and then your climate controls with heated seats. To the left is 2 high, 4 high, 4 low, and your trailer backup. On the right is a 12-volt outlet and a household plug. And then down here is a cubby with 2 USB ports. Center column shifter here with nice 2 cup holders, a small cubby here, and then your leather-wrapped shift knob. Leather center console here. Very large center console, goes down pretty far here. Nice to see, you can store lots of stuff in there. You also got up top is an auto-dimming rearview mirror. As you come around to the back of this F-150, you do have your paint-matched rear bumper with your rear park sensors here, as well as your trailer hitch and connections. Rear view camera is right above the Ford logo on the tailgate. Drop the tailgate down. You've got a drop-in plastic bed liner here. You've also got box lighting all around the box with various clamp points and hook points as well. Keep your cargo secured. Taking a look to the back seat now, you've got cubbies on the side doors as well with cup holders. Very spacious back here. You can even lift these 60/40 seats up and have a power inverter under there or increase storage in the back seating area. Getting on in, you've got a grab handle to get you up. You've got a cubby in front of you here, and then you've got 2 cup holders, a 12-volt outlet, 2 more USB ports, and another household plug. Can keep all your devices charged in this truck. Center console seat, you can fold these down as well, 60/40. Nice dome light up here. Just all around a very spacious and comfortable back seating area of this Ford F-150. And we'll take one look up into the front here. Your paint matched front bumper here, halogen high beams, low beams, and fog lights. Plow prep package is equipped on this F-150 as well. So make sure to come on over to MacPhee Ford to get your hands on this pre-owned 2017 F-150. As always, thank you for watching. Feel free to subscribe, and we will see you in our next video.